Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect two Windows 10 PCs together with a LAN cable. And also I'm going to show you how you can share files and folders between these two computers using your file sharing settings. So as you can see in the video, I have two Windows 10 laptops here and I'm connecting both of them with a LAN cable directly. Now this method will work on, let's say you have one Windows 10 PC and other Windows 8 PC. This will work on those two PCs also. So just connect your PCs with the LAN cable as you are seeing in the video. And once you are done with the connection, then you just need to come to your first Windows 10 operating system from where you want to share the files, let's say, and then go to the Ethernet or network icon here. So just right click on this network icon and then click on open network and internet settings, and then you just need to select Ethernet here on the left hand side and then select network and sharing center. So here you can have a look under network what kind of network you have right now. You need to have private network selected here in order to share your files privately, right? So right now on this Windows 10 PC, this network is public network. So later we are going to set this public network to private network so that we can share our files privately. So this we are going to do little bit later, but first of all you just need to click on the Ethernet option here. So just click on Ethernet option and then you just need to click on the properties option here. So just click on the properties, and once your Ethernet property window opens, you need to select this option which says Internet Protocol version 4 and then double click on this. Now here you need to select this option which says use the following IP, and then just type this IP address 192.168.1.2 and just give the subnet mask as shown here. So 255.255.255.0 and then click on OK here and then click on OK and then close this window. So as I have told you that you need to just convert this public network into the private networks. So now what you need to do is you need to just go to your search bar and search for secpol.msc, okay, secpol.msc. So just click on this result. So once this window opens, as you can see right now it's a public network. So for converting this network into a private network, you need to select this option which says Network List Manager Policies and then click on this option which says Unidentified Network. So I'm going to just double click on this option, and now you just need to select private here instead of not configured or public. You just need to select private here and then click apply and then click OK. So as soon as you do this, you will be able to see this network is now private network here. Okay, so let's say I want to share a folder, and let's say this folder I want to share with my other PC which I have connected to via LAN cable. So I'm going to just right click on this folder. Whatever folder you want to share, you just need to right click on that folder and then click on the properties option, and then you just need to click on the sharing tab here and then click on the share button, and here you just need to click on this scroll down menu and click on everyone and then click add, and you just need to set the permission level to read write. Okay, so right now it's read, you need to set this to read write. Okay, and then click on share and you will be able to see this kind of option, your folder name and then your PC name will be displayed here. Okay, once it's done, you just need to click on done and then close this window. And once you do that, you will be able to see under your networks, your desktop PC name. So how you can know that this is your desktop name? In order to know this, you just need to right click on this PC. So just right click on this PC here and then click on the properties, and you will be able to see the computer name here. So once you see this under your network, the work on your first PC is finished and you can move to the second PC. So now I'm on my second Windows 10 PC. So here also I'm going to set up my network sharing settings. So just click on your network option and then click on the open network and internet settings, and then click on Ethernet, and then click on network and sharing center, and then click on Ethernet here, and then once again go to the properties, and then under the properties section you just need to select Internet Protocol version 4. Just double click on this option and then you will be able to see this kind of option. So here you need to just select use the following IP. Just write 192.168.1.1 here. Okay, so .1.1, and then here the subnet mask will be automatically set, which is 255.255.255.0, and then click OK, and then click OK, and then close this. And as we have done in our first Windows 10 PC also, we need to just change the public network to the private network. For that we are going to just search for secpol.msc file. So secpol.msc, and then click on this result, and then as I have told you earlier also, just click on the network list manager policies, and then unidentified networks, just click on this and then click on private, apply, OK, and then close this window, and you can see this is set as private network now. Okay, so once I am done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether I can share the files and folders between these two computers or not. So I'm going to just open my file explorer and then click on the network option here, and you can see this shows my first Windows 10 operating system with this name. So I'm going to just click on this desktop option here, and then you will see this kind of window. So here you need to give the credentials for your PC which you want to connect to. So just give the username and password of the first Windows 10 PC. I'm going to just give the username and password here, and then I'm going to just click on OK. So now I can see all the users related folder here which belongs to the user CB. So I will just go to CB, and here I can see all the files and folders which are available publicly on my first Windows 10 operating system. Okay, so I can just go to the pictures folder here, and then I can just copy this picture from here, and then I can just paste this picture on my PC somewhere. So let's say I want to just paste this picture here in the music section. I have pasted this picture here. So this is how you can just share your files and folders between two PCs with a LAN cable.